Welcome back, you guys. Today I'm going to transport you to one of the most beautiful and charming gardens in Ireland, the Mount Usher Gardens. I'm going to show you exactly why this award-winning, internationally renowned garden should be included in your Irish itinerary. Situated 35 minutes south of Dublin city, driving down would be the most convenient option to get there. However, as this is a popular spot in summers, the car park can become full in the middle of the day. Mount Usher Gardens, with its Avoca Garden Cafe and courtyard shops, is situated in County Wicklow. Mount Usher is one of the finest examples of authentic Robinsonian style garden, combining a distinguished collection of trees and shrubs with an informal planting scheme. The term Robinsonian is derived from the name of one of Ireland's well-known garden designers, William Robinson. He was against the Victorian style in gardens, which were predominant during his time, and promoted a balance between manicured and natural styles, precisely a wild garden. The Walpole family designed and planted the gardens in the 1880s, handed down from generation to generation over a period of 100 years. Later, the Walpole family's association with the garden ended in 1980. While soaking in all the beauty and captivating colors, we clicked a ton of pictures to take back home and cherish, posing alongside charming flowers, beautiful bridges and numerous cascades, some of which you can see in the video. Mount Usher is laid across 22 acres along the banks of the River Wateree as it tumbles over a series of cascades on its way to the sea. Naturally, you can find a lot of streams here. Funnily, for some reason, I decided to wear a leather jacket on a rainy day. So I'd recommend you to use your reason along with the weather forecast. But the infrequent showers made the surroundings all the more serene. Whenever you visit, make sure to look out for signs and follow the river walk or tree trail, which will offer you with the garden's free-flowing informality and natural design. You can get free garden maps at the reception when you enter. The place has a total of 5,000 trees and plants, which includes world-ranking collection of several different species with an incredible mix of colors and shapes. Thanks to the exclusive use of organic resources, this is a paradise for birds who inhabit the gardens. Around each bend of the walkway is another breathtaking view of flowering plants in a natural setting. You can easily spend 90 minutes walking around the 22-acre gardens and soak in the beautiful and enchanting landscape all you want. There is an ever-changing blend of colors and textures as one season changes to another. I must tell you, I spent most of my time marveling at the vibrant colors and patterns of the beautiful flowers around. Truly amazing, isn't it? Though there were no placards showing their names, do share the name of the flowers you recognize in the comment section. We were visiting along with our friends to make the outing all the more fun and chatty. Apart from all the greenery, there are beautiful bridges in the gardens which gives you the fairy tale touch. One of my favorite bridges in the garden is the suspension bridge. Remember, you must not bounce on the bridge but slowly walk and enjoy the view. The property has the gorgeous Usher Garden cafe, which is unfortunately closed at the moment due to the pandemic. But don't you worry, there's a bakery food market where you can get your coffee dose if you must. Hope you guys enjoyed our fairy tale experience. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to keep it coming. Ciao for now!